Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Welcome back, cozy home lovers. If you're dreaming of a living room that feels like a warm hug, something modern, a little rustic, a lot of charm, and incredibly calming, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the modern farmhouse living room trends for 2025, where clean lines meet vintage soul and simplicity dances with cozy textures. Whether you're revamping your space or just looking for a few refreshing touches, I've got 7 inspiring ideas that blend calm, comfort, and timeless charm. So grab a cup of something warm, curl up, and let's style your dream living room together. Let's start with the soul of any space, the color palette. In 2025, the modern farmhouse look leans even more into nature-inspired hues. Think warm whites, gentle taupes, soft mushroom grays, and muted sage greens. These tones ground the room with a quiet calm while allowing light to softly bounce around. Creamy whites are replacing stark whites because calm doesn't mean cold. And adding layers like oatmeal, sand, and driftwood tones bring depth without clutter. To accent, rusty terracotta, pale moss, or the occasional washed charcoal for a modern edge. This palette soothes the eye and sets the tone for a cozy but clean farmhouse feel. If you want true farmhouse charm, you can't ignore the beauty of natural wood. In 2025, it's all about light and weathered wood with visible grain, oak, ash, or reclaimed barnwood in honeyed or soft gray washes. Swap out glossy finishes for raw textures. Think whitewashed wood coffee tables, natural edge shelves, and shiplap accents that feel rustic yet refined. Wood brings instant warmth and grounds modern elements with an organic heartbeat. Texture is where cozy comes alive. And the 2025 modern farmhouse living room is a haven of layered softness. Imagine a chunky knit throw draped over a Belgian linen sofa, or a jute rug topped with a faded vintage Persian-style runner. It's all about mixing tactile elements that make the room feel as good as it looks. Start with a neutral base, linen, cotton, or a soft slipcover sofa. Add layers with wool or boucle throw pillows, a Sherpa ottoman, or even a leather poof for contrast. Rattan, cane, and seagrass accents also bring warmth without visual weight. And don't forget your windows. Light filtering linen curtains and soft oatmeal or ivory fluttering in the breeze add that storybook softness that turns a house into a home. Lighting might just be the unsung hero of cozy spaces. In 2025, we're steering away from overhead lights that feel sterile and instead embracing warm, layered lighting that invites you to slow down. Think matte black or antique brass sconces, oversized farmhouse chandeliers with faux candle bulbs, and ceramic or wood-based table lamps with fabric shades. Go for bulbs in a warm white tone. 2700K is your sweet spot. It gives off that golden glow that flatters everything. Layer your light like you layer your textures. Overhead for general lighting, table and floor lamps for ambience, and maybe a little fairy light strand on the mantle or inside a vintage lantern for charm. That layered light makes your living room feel like a cozy retreat any time of day. At the heart of the modern farmhouse living room, the sofa, of course. In 2025, it's all about low, deep, cloud-like sofas that you can melt into after a long day. Slip-covered styles in linen or cotton blends are both casual and timeless, while performance fabrics keep things family and pet-friendly. Think soft whites, warm grays, or muted grayish with an inviting lived-in look. Add oversized throw pillows in mixed fabrics, cotton, boucle, velvet, and finish with a cozy throw. Add a tufted ottoman or a weathered trunk for that comfy coffee table moment. If you're feeling inspired so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It helps this cozy little channel grow. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love modern farmhouse style, and leave me a comment below. What's your favorite element so far? I'd love to know how you're making your space calm and cozy this season. The best modern farmhouse living rooms feel personal, like each piece has a history. In 2025, we're still seeing a love for vintage accents, oversized antique mirrors, time-worn books, pottery with patina, or salvaged architectural pieces. Mix these with modern farmhouse staples like ceramic vases, glass cloches, and simple black or wooden frames with black and white prints. A woven basket filled with rolled throws, a tray with chunky candlesticks, or a vintage ladder leaned against the wall makes for quiet but thoughtful styling. The key? Make it look effortless and collected over time, not overly curated. It's in the imperfections, the nicks in the wood, the frayed edge of an old quilt, that the charm lives. A calm farmhouse living room always connects to nature. In 2025, we're keeping it simple but intentional. Large potted olive trees, oversized vases with foraged branches, or delicate trailing plants like string of pearls. Eucalyptus is still a favorite, but we're also seeing dried grasses, flowering branches, and faux options that look incredibly real. Keep it light, loose, and organic, nothing too stiff or structured. Use baskets or stone planters for added texture and place greenery in multiple spots, on the mantel, coffee table, sideboard, or tucked into open shelving. Even a single stem in a ceramic vase can add life to a corner. The result is a room that feels alive, balanced, and connected to the earth, a perfect harmony of calm and charm. And there you have it, 7 modern farmhouse living room decor ideas for 2025 that are calm, cozy, and full of charm. Whether you're updating a few accents or going for a full refresh, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that makes you feel good every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy home inspiration coming your way. Until next time, may your living room always feel warm, inviting, and just a little bit magical. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.